Bat. I saw a bat in the cave. He hit the ball with the bat. Bark. The dog's bark was loud. The bark of the tree is rough. Bank. I need to go to the bank to withdraw money. We had a picnic on the riverbank. Bear. I can't bear this heat. We saw a bear at the zoo. Right. You got the answer right. Turn right at the next corner. Tire. After running for an hour, I started to tire. The car needs a new tire. Well. She is feeling well today. They fetched water from the well. Lead. She will lead the team to victory. The pipes were made of lead. Fair. The judge was fair in his decision. We went to the county fair last weekend. Tear. She accidentally tore the paper. A tear rolled down her cheek. Lie. He likes to lie on the couch and read. It's wrong to lie to your friends. Row. They sat in the front row at the concert. They rowed across the lake. Wave. She gave a friendly wave. The wave crashed onto the shore. Date. He asked her out on a date. Dates are sweet and delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.